Break ID number 4105. 2018 Topps Archive Signature Series 4-box break. This one has one filler for 3 spots. And that has Dan, Myra, and Robert. Go. Hopefully that's not it, because PayPal should be much more supportive than that. Myra, GL. Wow. Thanks for filling that up, Robert. I really appreciate it. And here's the alphabetical list. This is random first letter of last name. Go. Robert and Brock, are you generally baseball only? John, I'll credit your account so that you can get the gold label. And there you go. First one card per box. $90 of $98. Sparky Lyle. I won't do it that way, John. I'll just credit your account so you can get gold label. Lyles L. Myra GL. What sports do you like though, Brock? Next one. 31 of 49. David Cohn. That's C. Dan, LA. Yeah, we're glad to have you. Box 3. Shapers. 55 of 90, Bill Madlock. Look at the centering. Yikes. Let's lean it. Maybe it'll go the other way. Didn't work. M. Gregory F.E. About that way. Last box. Uh, 7 of 15, Charlie Huff. That's H. Myra GL. Okay, guys, that was painful. That was painful. Yep. I appreciate you guys filling it up, though. Sometimes that happens.